Hearing protection on active construction sites typically looks like a hard hat with headphones that shut out harmful noise, like jackhammering, blasting, things you don't want your ears to be exposed to. The problem is, they block out everything else too. It's difficult to have conversations with your colleagues about the work taking place around you. At CDM Smith, we want to make sure that we're keeping our staff and clients safe in the workplace. And there's a lot of new technology on the horizon that we're researching and testing to improve the work we're able to do. Safety, quality, and reliability are the guiding principles of our construction management group, and we're piloting a device that's allowing us to check each of these boxes. Sensear is an enhanced form of hearing protection designed for heavy construction sites. It's wearable, it's a hands-free device. You can have a phone conversation with it because it's Bluetooth enabled, and it enhances the quality of work for someone who's hearing impaired too, so they can use the technology too. When we found out we could do that, we took advantage of CDM Smith's research and development program to test this out in the field.
The biggest benefit is that I can hear conversations around me, but it drowns out the noise completely. I think the idea of being able to communicate with each other and not shouting in each other's ears or removing earmuffs to talk, this allows free conversation.
Sensear merges our mission for digital innovation and our priority for staff safety into a single solution. And it can also layer with different technologies like Microsoft HoloLens and RealWear HMT devices to see plans and construction conditions in real time.
When we went out in the field with this, we were able to do Teams meetings via the HoloLens. They weren't picking up any of the ambient noise at all through the microphone, which I thought was really good. And we were able to share different content, data, the real world and the design world as well.
But what I really liked was the ability to talk to my home office and use Teams, and just the clarity of the sound is very good.
I have a little bit of hearing loss, and you probably can't see them, but I've got these little things here that hook over the back of my ears that help me a lot. You typically have two choices for hearing protection. That's either muffs or plugs. So if I use muffs, lots of times that'll create an environment where I'll get feedback from the hearing aids. And if I use plugs, then I have to take these out. Sensear being a muff type, it'll go over. I don't need to take my hearing aids out, and I don't experience any of the feedback.
So if we can use a product like this to maintain our quality of work, our schedule, and limit our risk to our own employees and to our clients, that's a more efficient way to do business.